What's up, kids? It's me, your cash cow, here in Portaventura, Mexico. Kids, anyway, as always, short video, but this video is about how I've sold stickers, and you can too, print-on-demand stickers for my Shopify store. I can't even believe people buy these stickers, but they do. As you can see from the thumbnail, I've generated over almost $550 selling stickers, and the profit margins is basically 50%, 60%. So I was just going to show you guys real quickly how I design these stickers. So let's jump right into it, and I'm going to assume you guys have a Printful account and Shopify store. If not, links for both will be in the description, etc., so you can sign up there. But anyway, once you're in your Printful dashboard, you will click on stores, and there's my store right there. And guys, if you're new to this beautiful face, my current Shopify store is terribleatgolf.com, and I've been doing print on demand with Shopify for, I don't know, close to 10 years. But this is my current store, and I'm currently working on another one that I'm trying to make with my girlfriend. Another case study to show you guys that you can still make money with print on demand and Shopify. So anyway, let's go. So stores, we're going to click on add product. And guys, like I said, the margins are great on stickers. I just really can't believe that people actually pay what they pay for stickers. My girlfriend's blowing my phone up over here. That's why this video is going to be probably my quickest ever. So anyway, guys, I am going to use a design that I already created, and I created this design with ChatGPT in seconds. I made this like maybe a month and a half ago or something, but hang on, I got to find it real quick here. We're looking for the whack fuck. And I don't know why I haven't made this into a sticker already, but here we are. Print on demand stickers coming in hot. So guys, there's many sizes that you can use. That's not perfectly centered. Not that it really needs to be. But anyway, guys, if you come up to product, this is where it's going to show you the color. Obviously, it's going to be white, like you can see over here in the right here. But I always do 4x4 and 5x5.5 and 5.5. You can do whatever you want. And I sell the 4x4 for $9.95 and the 5x5 for $10.95. The shipping is almost as much. That's why I don't understand why people buy stickers, but they certainly do, and that's why I'm making this video. So I did that, and you can come up here, guys, and see what the mock-ups look like. The mock-ups aren't the best for this product, in my opinion, but let's just look at it on a computer. Sick. But I'll show you as we continue here. So I'm happy with the dimensions and all that. So we'll click on down here below. We'll click continue. And then it's going to ask us to choose the mock-ups. Now, with stickers, you can only choose from one. Normally, next to the main mock-up, there'll be additional mock-ups. You select the main one and then go over and click additional. But I'll show you how you can get all of these. You just download them is all you do. So I'll just pick one that I want to use. We'll just use the computer. We're not going to use this, but just for reference, click on continue, and that sticker costs $1.99, kids. So maybe it's more like 80% profit, 75. And guys, just to show you, well, I don't think I have it pulled up anymore. Oh, yes, I do. So I just started selling stickers like in the last 3 months, and I certainly don't promote them. But for some reason, Facebook and Instagram do, which is great. But I've sold $535 worth of stickers. So cut that in half, or 70%. That's like $350 selling stickers. So anyway, just to show you that, and yeah, stay focused. Anyway, guys, I don't fill any of the description out or anything like that until it's actually uploaded. So make sure you click uncheck the published product. This product will be visible in your online store. Make sure that's unchecked. I don't choose the collections now. I do everything when I edit it in Shopify. So click on continue. Then you will see the pricing, and obviously $9.95. Wait. Set retail price to. Then we go to $10.95. And then click submit to store. And as you can see right here, it's doing that. It shouldn't take that long. But I know this is going to look really good. I just made this I Love Cart Girls before I made this video. So click edit in Shopify. It's going to not take you there, so it'll take you here. So then you'll click on edit Shopify again. And as you can see, guys, here is that's what it looks like. And again, I made this design in ChatGPT in seconds. And I have it on hats, and I've got it on a hoodie, et cetera, and I've sold quite a few hats with this design on it. So I just want to show you guys real quick how to download the mockups, which is simple. It's right here. Click on download mockups, choose mockups. That's the default. But I'm going to use this car right here. So I'm just going to download that. As you can see, it has both sizes here, guys. I'll show you how I create my own mockups using Canva, which is free. So click generate mockups, and that's going to create a zip file. Let me go over here to... what you want to do, guys, is in Canva, click create. And I'm just going to choose logo because it's 500 by 500, which is perfect for Shopify. I always make my background this light gray color. So like all of my product images have this gray color as the background. So I would suggest making it consistent. You don't want bright colors and all that stuff, guys. Either white or a subtle gray or what have you. So then we will go here, download mockups. Now this step, guys, you will not... I'm just going to pull this over to my desktop. Then I'm going to go back to Canva. Then I'm going to click on uploads, upload files, and I'm going to grab that. And also grab the smaller one. So guys, we will take this, remove the background, and just stretch that to the corners, okay? Then I'm going to name this whack. I'm trying to work on my cussing, so I won't say that word. And this is 4x4. This is the 4x4 version. I don't know why I just did that. I'm feeling very fit. I am very fit. So click download, guys, and make the size as big as humanly possible. You just do that for quality, guys. Same thing when it comes to like anything that you're designing, you want to make it as big as possible. Obviously not a transparent background. Click download. You guys don't have to do this, but for some reason I have to go to here and then click desktop. And then obviously, guys, we will do the same for the 5x5. Boom. Background remover. Stretch it to the corners there till it fits. Change this to 5x5. Download. Download. Make it as big as humanly possible. Download. Basically what you're doing there, it's like it's upscaling it. Then we will go to here, and we don't need any of these really, but click on the plus sign, then click add media, go to desktop. Where's the 5x5? I don't see it yet. That's because I don't think I moved it over, but click done, save it, go back. Whoops. For some reason I don't think I downloaded that. Oh, I didn't move it over. Okay, you mother. If you're new to this beautiful face, this is what I look like without glasses. When you get old, you can't see close up. Okay, now we got that right. Okay, go back over here. Add media again. There's the 5x5. I'm going to uncheck all of these because we don't need them. But it's nice that you have them if you want to go back. Okay, so let me see which one this one is. That's the 5x5. Perfect. Then, guys, what you're going to do is click here. Hey, we just got a sale for $39.44. Thank you. And that, guys, is order number 879. And we just started this Shopify print-on-demand store back in May, on May 7th is when I started advertising. So, and the store is done, well, now it's done close to $50,000. So, anywho, I'd like to think I know what I'm talking about. Again, like guys, if you're new to Shopify and print on demand and all that, I've got a trial link. You can try Shopify for $1. Well, it's free for 3 days. It's free, and then after the 3 days, it's $1 a month for 3 months. So take advantage of that, guys. Now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to download that one. And then the smaller one. This will all make sense in a second. Done. Well, it didn't get that one. Done. Okay, so that's the 4x4, obviously because it's smaller. So I'm going to take the 4x4 for that car, for the car. That's 4x4. That's 5x5. That's 5x5. That's 5x5. That's how you do that, guys. Now, let me show you what it will look like on the website. I don't know why that... Oh, I do know why that's still there. Hang on. Because I didn't save it. Always save your stuff, guys. Let me move this AI, gentlemen. So, now we preview it. So, 4x4. That's what the 4x4 looks like on the car. And that's what the 5x5 looks like, guys. And then I'll go over to ChatGPT and I'll create a description for it. And if you guys want to see that just real quick, my girlfriend's going to kill me. No, she won't. This is what I write, guys. Write a funny, cheeky 140 character or less product description for a sticker that says I love cart girls on it. And what it came up with was show your true golf priorities, forget birdies, I'm here for the cart girls, perfect sticker for your cooler, car, or bad decisions. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video, and again, please subscribe to the channel because I will be showing you guys how to build out a Shopify print-on-demand store in the coming days and weeks ahead. I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on building this store for my girlfriend. So I will see your monkey butts very, very soon. Have a wonderful Saturday wherever you are in this crazy place we call a planet.